Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on OPPO A5x. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on the search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open and then click continue. Here you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now and then click cancel. Now click not now. Here you can sign into your Firefox account, or you can click not now. Now you can turn notifications from this browser, or you can click not now, and here you can select your theme, or you can just click save and continue. And now you can pick turbo placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.